In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the built-in phone in Freshsales. Freshsales includes a built-in phone feature, powered by Freshcaller, or by a telephony provider you've connected to your account. This lets you make and receive calls directly inside the CRM, while also helping you keep your sales activity organized. Calls can be logged automatically, notes can be added during conversations, and follow-up actions can be captured without leaving the platform. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the Contacts section. This is where you'll find the people you want to call and the related records that help keep every interaction in context. From the Contacts page, select the lead or contact you want to work with. Opening the record first is important because it ensures the call is associated with the right person. That way your team can see the call history, any notes you add, and the outcome of the conversation all in one place. Inside the contact or lead record, click on Call. This opens the built-in calling option for that record. If your phone system is already configured, you'll be able to place calls directly from here. If it's not set up yet, Freshsales will guide you toward enabling the phone feature. At this point, click on By Phone Number. This option connects you to Freshcaller, which is Freshworks' cloud-based calling system. Freshcaller allows teams to purchase business phone numbers, place and receive calls online, and manage call activity from within the CRM. It's designed to make sales communication more efficient by keeping calling and customer records in the same workspace. Next, click on Buy New Number. This feature allows you to choose a new business number for your team so you can start making calls through Freshcaller. Once the number is set up, you can begin contacting your leads directly from Freshsales and keep your call workflow centralized. As you start using the built-in phone, follow a few best practices to get the most value from it. Always update the call outcome as soon as the conversation ends so your records stay accurate. Add concise notes while the discussion is still fresh in your mind. Before closing the call, schedule any needed follow-up tasks so nothing gets missed. If call recording is enabled and legally permitted in your region, it can also be useful for coaching and quality review. And finally, make sure customer phone numbers are accurate so caller identification works properly. That's how to use the built-in phone in Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.